Okay, everyone. Now we are going to solve the questions regarding work and time chapter. So as you can see, there is first question in front of you, and this question is: A can do a piece of work in 20 days. B can do the same work in 30 days. Find in how many days they together can complete the work. I repeat the question: A can do a piece of work in 20 days. B can do it in 30 days. Find in how many days they can together complete the work. What that means, there is a person A who can complete a work in 20 days. There is another person B who can complete the same work in 30 days. So you have to think a number which can be divided by 30 as well as 60. So such number which can be divided by 20 as well as 30. So such number that come to my mind is 60. 60 is a number which can be divided by 20 as well as 30. What that means? That means A can write 3 pages per day and B can write 2 pages per day. So how many pages they are writing in a day? They are writing 5 pages in a day, right? 5 pages they are writing in a day. And how many pages they need to write? They need to write 60 pages. uh, uh, 60 pages. They are writing 5 pages in a day. They need to complete a 60 pages assignment. So how many days they will take? 60 pages they have to write. 5 pages they are writing in a day. So how many days they will take? They will take 12 days. They will take 12 days to complete this work. So the answer is 12 days. Okay. So hope you are clear with the question. Now next question. Now in this question, it is given that ABC can complete a piece of work in 10, 15 and 18 days. In how many days they would all of them can complete the same work working together? So please, if you had not seen the video of concept, please see the video of concept, then only you will get the clarity regarding the questions that I am teaching here. So here you have to write A, that is first person, B, that is second person, and C, that is third person. In how many days A complete a work? He completes in 10 days. B completes the same work in how many days? 15 days. And C complete the same work in how many days? 18 days. So you have to think a number which can be divided by 10, 15 and 18. Such number that comes to my mind is 90. 90 is such a number which can be divided by 10, 15 as well as 18, right? So you have to think such number, no matter whatever the number that comes to your mind. It may be 180, it may be 360, any number you can choose which comes to your mind, which can be divided by all those three numbers. It won't going to affect our result. What that means, A can write 9 pages in a day. B can write B can write how many pages in a day? 6 pages in a day. And C can write 5 pages in a day, right? Right. So how many pages they are writing? A is writing 9 pages in a day, B is writing 6 pages in a day, and C is writing 5 pages in a day. Together, how many pages they are writing? Together, how many pages they are writing? They are writing, they are writing 20 pages in a day, right? 20 pages in a day they are writing. And how many pages they have to write? They have to write 90 pages in a day. They have to write 90 pages. So how many days they will take? 90 pages they have to write. 20 pages they write in one day. So how many days they will take? They will take 4.5 days. 4.5 days. This is the answer of this question. Okay. So in examination, it may be 4.5 days, or he may give you 9 by 2. 9 by 2 days. So it's according to the options. You have to see what is the requirement, right? So let's move to the next question. Now in this question, here it is: A and B working together take 15 days to complete a piece of work. If A alone can do this work in 20 days, then in how long would B take to complete the same work? Now this type of question will come to your examination. Okay. So this is the first type of question that I say that can come to your examination. Okay. So there is two person. Okay. There is A, there is another person B. How many day they are taking to complete a particular work? 15 days, right? And A alone, there is a person A who can complete the same work in how many days? 20 days, right? So you have to think a number which can divide both 15 and 20. So this number that comes to my mind is 60. 60. What that implement that A plus B can write how many pages in a day? They can write 4 pages in a day, right? And A write how many pages? He write 3 pages in day, right? 60 divided by 20, that means 3 pages he write every day. So in 20 days he can complete those 60 pages. So A is writing 3 pages, A plus B write 4 pages. So if I minus A plus B from A plus B, if I minus A, then I get number of pages B write in a day. How many pages B write? 1. 4 pages they together write. A and B together write 4 pages, and A write 3 pages out of those 4 pages. So how many pages B write in a day? Page B write in one day. So he have to complete a assignment of 60 pages. 1 page he write in one day. So in how many days he going to complete those 60 pages? It comes out to be 60 days, right? So answer is 60 days. Let's move to the next question. Now this is second question. Now this type of question comes to your examination a lot of time, and what we do is we generally try to write the formulas. So you not need to write those formulas, you just have to remember the concept which I am telling you. What is saying A plus B can do a piece of work in 12 days, B and C in 15 days, and C and A in 20 days. How long would each of them would take separately to complete the same work? So here A plus B can complete the certain work in how many days? 12 days, right? B and C, in how many days they are completing the same work? 15 days. And there is third person, that is C and A. In how many days they are completing this work? 20 days. So you have to think a number which can be divided by all of them three, all three. You have to think a number which can be divided by 12, 15 as well as 60. So such number that comes to my mind is 60. 60. What that implies, A plus B, right? 5 pages per day, right? B plus C, right? 4 pages in a day. And C plus A, right? 3 pages in one day. So together, how many pages they are writing together? They are writing 12 pages. They are writing 12 pages. 5 plus 9 plus 3. What that comes out? 12 pages. 12 pages they write. But here there is a little trick. What is that? If you add all those 3 pages, if you add all those three, if you add the work of all three, so what that comes? That comes out to be. That comes out to be 2 times what that comes, A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A, right? So here there are 2 times C, there are 2 times B, there are 2 times A. So what I can take is I can take 2 common. So what it comes under bracket is A plus B plus C. And how many pages they are writing in a day? 12 pages. Means 12 pages they are writing. Here you can solve the bracket. So 2 go in the denominator. So A plus B plus C, actually how many pages they are writing? They are writing 6 pages in a day. 6 pages they are writing in a day, right? Together they are writing 6 pages in a day. And how many pages they have to write? They have to write 60 pages. So 6 page they write in a day, 60 pages they have to write. So how many days they will take? 60 by 6, that comes out to be 10 days. 10 days. So your answer will be 10 days they will take to complete the work together. Okay. Next question. It is a kind of same question. You have to try yourself first and then see the solution which I am providing you. A and B can complete a work in 18 days, B and C in 24 days, A and C in 36 days. In how many days they will all together complete the work? So here A plus B, in how many days they are completing? 18. B plus C, how many days they are taking? They are taking 24 days. and C plus A. C plus A, how many days they are taking? They are taking 36 days. So you have to think a number which can be divided from all those three. So the number that comes to my mind is 72. What that means, A plus B can write how many pages? 4 pages in a day. B plus C can write how many pages? 3 pages in a day. And C plus A can write 2 pages in a day. So particularly how many pages they are writing in a day? They are writing 9 pages in a day. 9 pages in a day they are writing, but when you add all three work, so what it comes out to be? It comes out to be 2 times A plus B plus C, that is equivalent to 9. So actually how many pages they are writing in a day? They are writing B plus C, they are writing 4.5 pages, that you can write as 9 by 2. 9 by 2. Keep it in fraction form, it will definitely going to eliminate. Okay, the question, the examiner will give the fraction, even if it comes in your examination, it will be in such a manner that it get cancel out. So 72 pages they can write in a day. 72 page they have to write. They are writing 4.5 pages. That means 9 by 2. Okay. So I can write 9 by 2. So 2 goes in the numerator. So what it comes? 72 into 2 divided by 9. So 9 can be cancelled out. 9 can be cancelled out. So it comes out to be 9 8s. So 8 into 2, that comes out to be 16 days. So together in 16 days they can complete this work. So the answer is 16 days. Next question. There is a person, Harbans Lal, can complete a piece of work in 24 days. If Bansi Lal worked twice as fast as Harbans Lal, then in how many days they can complete a work? So in such type of question, what you have to assume? You have to assume that there is a person whose name is Harban Lal. Okay, he can make 10, 10, or he can write 10 pages in a day, right? And he worked for how many days? 24 days. So 10 pages if he is writing in a day, and he is working for 24 days, that means how many pages he wrote in those 24 days? He wrote 240 pages. He wrote 240 pages. Now there is another person whose name is Bansi Lal, who is who is twice fast as Harbans Lal. That means if Harbans Lal write 10 pages, how many pages Bansi Lal can write? He can write 20 pages, right? Two times. It is mentioned that he is two times or twice efficient, or twice he can work fast as compared to Harbans Lal. So if Lal can write 10 pages, so Bansi Lal can write 20 pages. So if Bansi Lal can write 20 pages, he have to write 240 pages, and he can write 20 pages in a day. So in how many days? How many days Bansi Lal can write those pages? In how many days Bansi Lal can complete those 240 pages? So it's simple. How many days? 20 pages he write in a day. 240 he have to write. So 240 upon 20, it comes out to be 12 days. So in 12 days, Bansi Lal can complete this work. So 12 days is the right answer. Okay. Thank you.